What's up, Toby? What's up, Ratty? Normal, I don't know if you're here, but what's up? Yeah, this is classic stuff, man. I'm glad this formed. I'm glad I didn't hesitate, is what I should say. So Morgan, what's up? Here, I took the second one, got break even. You got break even here? I took both these trades today, actually. Yeah, so we took 2 wins. Market order today. Trust market order is it, bro. Like, bro, worst case, just market order where your limit order is. You know, that's what I'm saying, bro. Bro, now I can like actually read the chat and like not even feel bad, bro. Um. Now I'm like genuinely just live for you guys, and I don't have to be live for myself. Today was nice. Today was nice, for sure. I wonder if I would have taken these live. You guys think if I was live, I would have taken these, or would I have hesitated? I hope I would have taken them. I don't know. Camera's like. I am live on TikTok and YouTube right now. Win a 7R, nice, bro. I did take these setups today. Yeah, we actually called everything live in the Discord. So if you weren't there, you probably missed it. This is Nasdaq. What are you selling and buying? Nothing right now. I'm done. I hit 2 wins today. You know what? I was gonna hold this, but I didn't hold it. I just let. Oh, Nvidia, my man, Nvidia. We're up good on Nvidia. Hold on. Was an upper trend before a change on your first PO3? Why didn't you trade live? I'm not trading live today and tomorrow. I think it's been influencing me, so I wanted to take 2 days. I mean, we might do more than 2 days. I don't know. We'll see, but I didn't trade live. So instead, if you're in the Discord, this is a 1-minute chart. If you're in the Discord, I literally called out every single thing beforehand. I posted around 9 times, starting from 8:30, saying I was looking for this, and then I talked about all the trades I took, and it's all there. But on a real note here, we're up pretty good on Nvidia. Let me check. We're up. I have to check my position. We're up good. I'm even gonna say nothing else. If AMD was break even right, oh, we're not even down bad on AMD. Damn, we're up good on that. We're up good on Nvidia. I ain't gonna look at NQ. You lost today. Today we took 2 wins. We took 2 wins. Both were pretty good risk to reward. Yeah, man. And I was gonna hold this last one till like honestly end of the day, but I ended up closing it. If you use PO3, AMD or PO3, I don't think AMD and PO3 are the same thing. So I don't trade AMD. AMD, in my opinion, is a pattern. I don't trade the pattern. I trade power of 3. Yes, you can trade on the one. Most of my executions are on the 1 minute. So if that's what you're asking me. Bro, did not take those trades. I literally showed all the executions, bro. They're in my Discord. This is my Top Step account. And on my other account, I took. Yep, I'm gonna go over the trades. I'm gonna go over the trades. That's why I'm live. What's better to trade, Forex or futures? It doesn't matter. Whatever you want. I traded both today, actually. I passed it back to VLT after 2 days and for my first time passing. That's good. That's good. Just don't over risk, you know? Do you copy trade funders? I do. Are you an ICT Telegram? Yes. What did he post something today? I don't look until after usually because I don't want it to persuade me. I'm up 221 on the day. I'm gonna take a payout today. Finally reward myself for my hard work. Nice, bro. Do you copy trade? Yes, I do copy trade. I know that to get funded on my funded X account is more simple than another. Do you copy trade Top Step accounts through TradingView? Nope, I do it through Top Step X. ICT took both of these trades. Yeah, I took these 2 trades. Guys, I would never put this up if I didn't take the trade. That's so scammy, bro. You guys know me, bro. Can you trade? No, it's done. Longs. Don't look for anything else. Did not going live help? I don't know. I don't know if I would have hesitated. I think I would have had the same bias. I would have looked for the same things. I definitely. There's no way I would have. I always have the right bias on live, to be honest. So I think the bias would have been right. Would I have taken the same trade? I don't know. I might have hesitated. I don't know. That's the thing. It's hard to say. Would you ever start trading with live people in the call just for fun and find new people? No, I probably wouldn't do that. In my opinion, it's really tough. It's really tough, like, doing it. Even with my students, when I live stream in front of them, I like to just mute my everything, you know? It's really hard for me to focus if I'm hearing other people talk. What counts as the trading day on Apex on eval? I don't think, doesn't matter. I don't think it matters trading days. The Fibonacci level, this is the opening range gap. Eugenio, you either blew the account or you're putting in too many contracts, or you have to like sign you have to sign the you probably have to sign the Tradeovate. Did you sign into Tradeovate yet? 2 wins, took 2 wins today, yeah. Is there a way to update your account balance on Topstep to take a payout? You have to wait. So if you go below the minimum and you trade it before the payout, they'll deny your payout. So I would just wait, brother. It's best to just wait, in my opinion. Trade an eval or another account if you have, or just paper trade. Yeah. Yo, how many people are in the YouTube stream? Did people end up joining? Why were you bullish? Great question, bro. We can cover why I was bullish. It's not too what's it called? Too strange of a topic. It's just because of the draw. I really think the draw was, which I talked about, by the way, in the Discord beforehand. So it's not hindsight. Was this high, and best case scenario, these highs. This has always been my draw since Monday. As soon as I saw Monday, I was like, I'm bullish until this level. Why? Just because we expanded so aggressively. So if we're gonna expand that aggressively, yeah, I took those trades. If we're gonna expand that aggressively, you just gotta look higher. You know, where are we expanding to? It's very likely to run these equal highs. You know, Wednesday trades into discount. Look how it closes. Thursday's your continuation. Weekly power of 3, classic stuff. And then in terms of the daily chart, it just aligned perfectly. Guys, I would never put trades here that I didn't take. The reason I'm doing it like this and not showing the executions is because I executed this one on Topstep and I executed the other one on my Forex account. So that's why I'm just showing it like this. I took those 2 trades too. Nice, bro. NQ and ES dropped into equilibrium, then pumped up. Beautiful. Yeah, we went below midnight. It was in discount. Swept sell side. You got the displacement inside the macro. You got a second entry here off the inversion retracement. It's classic stuff. Trading has just been going to develop in Georgia. That's cool. Are you the guy always putting the Georgia flag on my Discord posts? You took these shorts? These ones? We can do an official trade recap. Did you guys? Yes, guys. Bro, how many times you guys can ask? Guys, I would never post things like this if I didn't take the trades. Come on, you guys know me, bro. Activation on Apex, I think it's 150. Do you guys want like a formal trade recap? Both trades? I don't mind. I'm literally here for you guys. Yeah? You don't wait for candle to close above the opening range gap. No, I just want to see it respect 50%, ideally. Which I did. Came to 50%. Closure below. Failed to reach 75 and then closure above. That was beautiful for me. Why don't you see my 930 anymore? I will sometimes, but today and tomorrow I won't, and we'll figure it out next week. The reason is I think I can trade better off stream. I did take both. Yeah, I took both of these. Recap. Okay, everyone's saying recap. Okay, everyone in chat saying do a recap. So we'll do a recap. So first things first, we were bullish. We called out the bullish bias pretty much on Monday. If you're in the Discord, you understand why I was bullish. I called out this level as low-hanging fruit, this daily swing high, and then previous day high, and then as well as this as a final objective. I didn't hold to this final best case objective, but I was bullish. So that's the first thing you have to understand going into this. Best case scenario for me, every day, best case scenario. We accumulate pre-market. This is beautiful. Now, if you guys been following my setups, my A+ textbook setup is a double purge, meaning we accumulate pre-market, we have a fake run higher, this engineers liquidity here. So now we have engineered liquidity here. Sell side, this is what you're looking for longs. You're looking for sell side to get taken. We take sell side, we come into this bullish fair value gap, and then looking at opening range gap as well right here, we get a closure above. So as soon as we take out that sell side, I'm not looking for any confirmation long. In this case, we had an inversion fair value gap right here. We had a small market structure shift right there, bullish fair value gap right there. That's the first trade I took for the day. And then because we didn't take out that black line and we had this move lower, I viewed this as a retracement. We retraced into this fair value gap. We swept out this short-term low, expanded. Where did I enter on this one? This is inversion. So the two setups I took today were my reversal setup and my protraction setup. Took this one on my Top Step and my Funded Futures account, and I took this one on my Funded by Traders account. Good? Makes sense? If you look at first presentation today, delivered really nice as well. First presentation, as soon as it gets above, respects, takes buy side, comes back, respects, inversion, takes buy side. Pretty much same thing. Black line. The black line is the daily buy side level. So this is, I think, previous week's high. Yep, this would have been previous week's high. Beautiful trade. I got the exactly same, 2% up. Nice, bro. Pair. Tesla, is there any ICT trader that's profitable? I was profitable last year. Does that count? Barely. I have a lot of ICT trader friends who are profitable. What entry model you use for the first entry? Because I also don't have an entry form. There's a couple ways to get in on the first move. You can get in on the inversion of first presentation. I know a lot of people like to wait for that. So you could have got in right here, right? You would have hit TP. Stops goes below the inversion. So you could have taken that. I personally entered right here. This is where I entered the trade, I believe. Oh, no, sorry. The inversion. I entered off of the inversion. Like, I did something like this. Something like, where's the, yeah, something like this. I entered off this inversion. So 950 is when I got filled on the trade. Yeah, let me just double check that. Yeah, so 951 I took it. So I entered, yeah, so as soon as this candle inversed, I bought it on the next candle, and my stops go below the inversion to be at the high. So I market bought at the inversion. You could have bought this fair value gap. You could have bought this inversion. And you also could have just bought the first presentation inversion as well, right? Because remember, if order flow is bullish and we inverse this, we should not re-inverse it, right? What entry? Yeah, so does that make sense, Damon? Such a good setup for the presentation account. Yeah, still valid. Don't worry about the high. Expect it to continue if you're bullish, right? We're looking at the break. Okay, tomorrow will be short at market opening. Why is everyone asking each other in chat if you're profitable? There's like 20 people asking each other if they're profitable. How did you spot the manipulation? If you're bullish, I'm waiting for bearish manipulation. That's the most simple way to explain that. Yo, your chart color settings. Yeah, what do you guys think about these new chart colors? I don't know if it's permanent for me, but I like it right now. I was looking at that break of the low with displacement FEG to short. Why was I off? You were trying to short this? You just had the wrong bias, brother. And that's okay, you know? The setup is here. If you were bearish, you followed all your rules. I'm proud of you for taking the short. It's just you had the wrong bias, you know? Damn, we really could have held it. Do you stream every day? Yes, I stream every day. Sometimes it'll be 9:15 and I'll actually trade live. Sometimes it'll be after time. It'll be like 10:30, 11, and I'll just do recaps of the trade. The reason is The reason is I think I trade better off stream if I'm being honest. Usually I stream every day, but I don't know. I don't know. Like I know I would have been bullish the same. To me, the bias was clear. I'll explain why I was bullish. Yeah, we took 2 trades today. I'll show you guys. They were both wins. Actually, we took 3. One was break even, and then the other 2 were wins. But I didn't take that break even trade on all my accounts. I just took it on one of the accounts. This one was TPE there. Yeah, something like that. Can you show me the setting, bro? I'll change it or drop it in the Discord. Yeah, message me on Discord, brother. Just message me and I'll send it to you there. Will gold go to the Namek planet? No idea where that is, but I am bullish on gold. White background. Do you like this background, Manny, or nah? What was your income today? My income today? I think we're up 800 on the accounts. Depends what account. I'm up 870 on the top step. I'm back to break even on funded by traders. I was monitoring. Good shit, Ryan. That's good. What color is that background? This is C2B8AA. C2B8AA. It's pretty clean, right? Like C2B, or shit, I forgot what I said. How many people are in the YouTube stream? Is there actually people joining? I know everyone liked watching me live, but I don't know. We might have to deal with this. Stream PM 30. Yeah, of course. The viewership goes down, and a lot of people just came for signals, you know. But I mean, if you're in the Discord, you pretty much. I'm not gonna say you got the signals, but I mean, I literally said every single thing that was gonna happen. I don't think a single thing was incorrect. We pretty much called it out. Can you explain the negative bias? I mean, why I was bullish? It was just the draw on the daily. Weekly power of 3. AMD? Yeah, AMD is power of 3. I wouldn't say AMD. Power of 3 is a strategy, but yeah, power of 3 is. That's what I traded. Explain why I was bullish? Just simple. So let's go back to Monday. I was bullish every day after Monday. Why was I bullish after Monday? We took previous day's low, Friday's low, and we took out some lows, right? We took out 1, 2, 3, like some daily lows, and we expanded very higher. So as soon as I see this expansion, now if you go to the 4-hour, you'll probably see like a, for example, this, right? 4-hour inversion, and then the 4-hour CISD forming. So this is just on the daily chart, but if you go to the 4-hour, you'll see the specifics. This daily high is my drawn liquidity. These daily relative equal highs are like my highest time frame objective. Now I'm bullish Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I was looking for longs pretty much every single day. So this day went sideways. Whoops. Wednesday came back into discount and then expanded. So Wednesday came back into discount of the weekly range and then expanded. So I know now there's a very high probability chance that the probability of Thursday coming all the way back down, taking Wednesday's low, is unlikely. We're most likely just going to expand towards this daily buy side. And best case scenario, I didn't hold the trade, but it's probably going to go there, is the 22111 level. And that's what I called in the Discord. So if you go back to the Discord, so 2169 side buy side still open, 2111 buy side still open. Want to see if we find a protraction setup or reversal setup. First presentation could deliver higher. I want to see or get touched and then reverse. But it's literally exactly what happened. We came down, we touched opening range gap, and we reversed. So we got the reversal setup I set, and we got the protraction setup before the level. So we managed to take both. Did you put your stop loss to break even on any of your trades? This one, as soon as we inversed this fair value gap. So like this one I was able to break even pretty early because of how it formed, because I entered before the first presentation inversion. So as soon as this one came up, and like, let me move this, you can see this candle right here. As soon as this candle came up, I'm able to just go break even right here. because it's inside first presentation. So now that we inverse first presentation, right, you don't want to see it re-inverse. So I was able to trail my stop there. It made sense. And on this one, not really. This one I didn't really even touch my stop on this one, to be honest. It was just, I really just kind of knew it was going to take TP. You know, in hindsight, if I saw it maybe come down, I would have closed it early, but it just kind of looked so good, you know? So, like, I kind of just knew. Got greedy on my funded accounts, pretty brutal to be even, but one on the evals. That's good, Whoa. Yo, Whoa, I appreciate you with the background, because, I don't know, so far I'm 2 for 2 on this background. So, I don't know. I changed it a little bit, but for the most part, it's the same background. I don't know if it's the one, but I think I'll rock with it for a bit. How do you identify your bias since it's choppy on the daily? Just draw on liquidity. If there's no, and if this is as simple as this, guys. If there's no clear imbalances on the daily, you have to look at your highs and lows. We already took out lows here, 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 and then we expanded. So if we took out lows and we're ranging, there's no clear inefficiencies, so you gotta look at the highs. In this case, you have really clean, relative equal highs. Is it bad to change your colors often? No, I don't think so. But I'm just trying to find something that works for me long term, you know? I'm tired of changing them. I want to just pick one and stick, but I can't stick to it. I keep changing. I keep changing it. Yeah, I took 2 trades today. What are the moves tomorrow with heavy news? Are you trading? Yeah, I don't mind trading tomorrow. Tomorrow's a trade day for me. Tomorrow should probably be the second best day this week. Today is definitely the best, just because it's PPI Thursday. But I think Friday will be the second best day this week. So you just gotta look at the highs and lows. What are the moves tomorrow? Tomorrow, depends how we close today. If we take out the highs here, I'll probably look for a retracement lower tomorrow. It depends if we take out the highs or not. If we don't take out the highs, then I'll be bullish. How much you made for both trades? This trade I took on all my accounts. So 800 plus 800, the 2 accounts. And then this one I took on only 1 account. This was 600 on my funded by traders account. That one's break even though. We were already down on that account, so this one was break even. How did you manage to stay patient? I just knew what I was looking for. Hold on, let me show you. Let me show you guys something. I was just waiting for it, you know? When you know what you're looking for, it's really easy to be patient when you know what you're looking for. When you know what you're looking for, I was looking for this. I posted this at 9:08 a.m. So at 9 a.m., I posted this. This is my first break even of the day I talked about. I was looking for this. Buy side, sell side, dump, longs from this fair value gap. Well, that's exactly what happened. Buy side, sell side, pump from longs from the fair value gap. It's the same. So when I know what I'm waiting for, it's super easy to be patient, you know? Because I'm just waiting for it to set up. I mean, I knew as well, but I took one, then got souped, and then re-entered. If you got souped, where would you have been souped here? Here? Well, you got a partial at this high. In my opinion. Got the first one. What's up, Ben? If you got souped here at 10:07 and you entered long on this move, I'm just confused where you got souped. What's up, Wayne Jerry? Before the macro. Oh, you went long on this? Oh, well, I mean, I don't want to like judge her. No, I'm not judging, obviously, but in my opinion, yeah, this is fake. Like this, you want to see this. I was waiting for this. Like I wanted to see these lows get taken, right? I wanted to see it come back into this imbalance. I want to see it take out sell side. The idea is like double purge, right? You want to see this high get put in. Why? Because then you have a target for longs. That's kind of the idea. Why take longs? The reason my model is valid here is because we didn't take out that black line, which was my like low-hanging fruit objective, previous week high. Obviously, we could go higher towards the second black line. Obviously, it's not about the line, it's the level. But these are my 2 objectives for today. This one's low-hanging fruit, so I was really confident in the first level. Because we didn't take the first level and we left equal highs, I was confident that I was going to continue. When do you move to break even? I only move my stop loss if it makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, should I keep my runner? I would. I wish I kept the runner. Oh wow, I could have kept the runner. I don't know why. I was literally on a Forex account, so I had like 8 lots or something. I don't know how many lots, but I could have just left. I could have just taken off like 0.6. Ah, yeah, that's stupid by me. What about data lows? What about data lows? I only try to move my stop loss if it makes sense, thus. So I don't have like a rule for it. I don't have like, oh, 1R, 2R. No, I only want to touch my stop if it makes sense. Why didn't you expect them to be taken out? It could have, but I'm just gauging it with time, right? Like this setup is A plus. Why? Did we sweep sell side? Yes. Are we in a bullish fair value gap? Yes. Are we in discount? Yes. Is it macro? Yes. Inversion. There's a 15-second breaker there. There's an inversion, bullish fair value gap. Like everything's aligned. We don't need to come down here. This isn't even data lows, but I'm bullish. So I'm just waiting for my criteria long. This is enough sell side to be taken. It's just about the timing, right? Let's say we kept going down here, right? All right, well then I'm just gonna wait, right? But if I see this and it's inside the macro and I know it's time to distribute, the setup is there. Why would I wait why would I be like, maybe this setup's gonna fail and take data lows? Well, even if it does, then I'm gonna look for long some data lows, and then I lost this one, you know, not a big deal. When do you think you should but start a funded? Whenever you feel ready, probably. What I did was demo traded, and once I passed a challenge account on demo, then it would have been good. Would you have took a short from the massive displacement down? I do have a model for this, but I wouldn't have taken it today. Because the reason I wouldn't have taken it today is because you can definitely short this. But one, you probably wouldn't have gotten a fill anyways, unless there's a 2-minute. Like, yeah, maybe you take the 2 minutes, like a 1R trade. The reason I wouldn't have looked for this, even though I expected it to come down, was because, in my opinion, the longs were really high probability. Looking for reversals? No, I wouldn't look for any reversal today, personally. Just continuation. Maybe if we reach this black line, you get some retracement lower, but every time it goes down, I'll look for a long. You didn't want to have a loss streak? Brother, I've had insane loss streaks on live stream. So don't worry about it, bro. You shorted that? Yeah, it's not a bad short. At the end of the day, if you have a draw on liquidity and you have confirmation that it's going to go there at that time, that's really all you need. You don't even need anything else, bro. You just need to know where it's gonna go and some sort of confirmation that it could go there at that time, more times than not. That's literally all you need. I took these 2 trades today. Don't worry about a loss streak, bro. It's normal. Super normal. And especially if it's now, in my opinion, it's been really difficult. Yeah, I can show the executions. So this is the first trade on Top Step. Took this one on Top Step. The second trade, I don't know how to show the execution. It's on a Forex account, but I can try. I could try. I don't know how you can show executions here. Does anyone know? This is where I took the second trade. So this one I took on all my futures accounts, but this one I already took. The reason is if I take one trade a day, if I take a win, ideally I don't want to trade that account again, right? So I saw the setup. I didn't want to take any trades on that account again. So close positions. Oh, this. But share trade there. Does that help? There you go. I think that's how you do it. So that's just how I do it. What level are you looking at for taking longs? I already took 2 longs, so does being off live help? I don't know. Is anyone here who normally watches me? What the hell is GatieTrades? Bro, it's one of the Forex platforms. But let me ask you guys, do you guys think, for those of you who watch me, do you guys think I would have taken this trade live, or would I have hesitated? Stop on second entry, just put the bottom of the inverse. So my rules for inversion fair value gaps, yeah, it needs to cover a re-inverse, you know? So how can you, like, you need to ask yourself, how can you cover a potential re-inverse? What level do you need to put it at to make sure, like, if it wicks, it's not gonna, it gives it enough room to wick. So for me, in my opinion, like this low, that's where I put mine. I think that was enough. But if I saw it like wick, you know, I probably would have maybe waited for a candle close. My stop loss is if we reinverse. That's the stop loss. That's the true and hold. We could have wicked all the way down here, but if we close bullish, we close bullish. Yeah. That's the idea when trading an inversion, in my opinion. But my stop loss was, yeah, it was there. Something like that, yeah. I think the first trade you would have taken, but the second one would have been iffy. Really? I would have thought vice versa. But I would have thought vice versa because this is my protraction model. My protraction model is like the most, for me, like the easiest one to be confident in. Yeah, in my opinion, the second one's easier to take. In my opinion, I don't know. I feel like when did you trade these? I trade these this morning, bro. When it formed 9:50. This one was 10:12. Talk slowly. Yeah, I can talk slower. Sorry. You would have because it's a good trade. Damon, someone said two people say hesitated. Two people say I would have hesitated. Yeah, I think. Let's be honest. Okay, I definitely would have been bullish. I definitely would have been looking for longs. I'll tell you. No, I think I would have taken the first one too. I think I would have taken it on live today, guys. This is demo. I took these on my Top Step accounts, my funded futures account, and my funded by traders account. To be fair, now that you explain your model, I think you would have. I think I would have. Yeah, I don't know. Who knows? Maybe I would have hesitated. Who knows, man? I guess we'll never know. But what matters is I didn't hesitate. My model formed twice, and I didn't hesitate. You would have taken the first one, bro, but your second, you would have been iffy because you won. Yeah, that's true. Because I probably wouldn't have opened up my other Forex account and taken this trade. I wouldn't have even opened it. So yeah, you're right. I wouldn't have taken the second one, but I think I would have been able to call it out as soon as this inverses 10-11. I would have been able to easily call that out, even if I wasn't like really paying attention. But to me, this looks really clean. 4-hour SMT. I don't know, but if there's SMT at the highs, I would expect the retracement lower and continuation higher. What's your gems model? It's just my power of 3. I think you would have done it because bias was a lot more clear. Yeah, today we had a really strong drawn liquidity. I think I would have. I don't know. Who knows, man? Who knows? But do I stream every day? Yes, I will stream every day. I won't always trade live. Sometimes I'll do this format where I come back and do a recap simply because I want to see if I can trade better off stream or not, you know? I'm not going to let today be like, oh, I knew it off stream. Like, I don't know. Today was pretty classic. 6 of my students took the exact same trades. 6 of the, like, or like 4, I don't know, like literally so many. Like, I'll literally show you guys. So many people took, and I didn't even like call it out. Allen's took it. Insta passed his account. I'm so proud of him. Allen's and Noah also took it. So I'm proud of him too. Took the exact same trade. Who else? This guy's not my student, but I don't know if he trades my model, but he took the same trade as well. I mean, to be honest, a lot of people took these trades. So recaps better. No leeches as well. I think you like the recaps. You know what? That makes me happy, bro, because I feel like a lot of people don't. What do you think about Euro USD? Why didn't it take liquidity on Legend? Yeah, we can review Euro. The good thing about live now is I can also answer literally any questions. But it's true, the numbers for my lives are gonna go down. And by the way, like it's still all there. Like for those who really just want to leech, my purpose isn't to like give signals, you know? Like I don't want anyone to just do what I do. But what I want people to be able to is improve, you know? So like the reason I'm posting all these posts is because I want them to be like, oh, I see. Like I see what he's seeing, you know? And if you can see what's seeing is, you know, like then you can start to see it on your own one day. And then if you follow my gems, like this is classic gem stuff, right? Recaps allow for me many people to learn from. Exactly, and I can answer every single question. So What's up, guys? Yeah, guys. Guys, do you understand why we were bullish today or no? Wait, what do you mean? This London, yeah, Euro was really clean today too. You were bearish? Okay, no worries. We can cover why you had to be bullish first. If you were bullish, I'm sure you would have seen the setup. Yeah, no, this is pretty clean too. What's your model? Power of 3. For those actually trying to properly trade, if you have an L day, you come in after losing trade and learn. Exactly. That's what I'm thinking too. And the truth is, like, we have 50 viewers right now. When I go live trading, I have like 200-300 viewers. As soon as I say I'm not trading, more than half the people just leave. Realistically, everyone just comes to copy trade, you know? It's just a sad truth. No one really wants to improve. Which is why I'm thinking about doing like even this. There's probably people just signal botting and being like, waiting. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking about maybe a separate Discord where like I don't know how I'm gonna filter out people who are like real. Cause I don't know if I just want to give like signals. Yeah, I'm down to show like what I saw and explain, but it's hard to do that without giving signals. You know, you were bearish. Okay, guys, we'll talk about why Euro USD was long, pretty much same setup. The reason you had to be bullish, or the reason I was bullish, sorry, it's just the idea of power of 3. So Monday opens, and we had a huge gap this day, right? It's Friday close here. Yeah, we had a huge new week opening gap. Discord link's in my bio. Yeah, it's free. So you might have to copy paste it. I can go over Euro USD right after. Yeah, recap's goated. Appreciate you guys, man. I'm gonna do either a recap or live trade every week. So I mean every day. So if you guys want to come, and even if it's a loss, by the way, I'm not gonna come here only if it's a win. If I took 2 losses today, if I blew my account, if whatever, I'm gonna come and just talk about why I lost. You know, you can live. That probably sounded so weird. You can learn just as much, if not more, from someone's loss, you know? So, it's important to study the losses. I'll recap Euro, but let's cover this first. The reason I was bullish on NQ was because of Monday. As simple as that. As soon as Monday takes out Friday and Wednesday's low. So we took out a lot of liquidity. Now, I'm showing you this on the daily chart, but if you go to the 4-hour, for example, you'll see something different, right? We came into this 4-hour bullish fair value gap, we swept all the sell side, and then we inverted the 4-hour bearish. So framing a weekly power of 3 idea. But on the daily, I just see this large ass expansion. So every single day this week, I've been bullish. If you've been listening or whatever, maybe I didn't talk about it too much, but I was bullish every day. So Tuesday, or this is Tuesday, nothing happened. Oh well, I'm still bullish. This doesn't change my bias. We just had a range day. Wednesday, we come back into discount and then expand. I was also bullish this day. But as soon as I see this on Wednesday, what did Wednesday do? We took previous day's low, closed really high above. We came into discount, and then we expanded, closed near the high of day. So for me, Thursday is so high probability to be bullish because this is basically what happened on Wednesday. So if we're like this and we have an objective like right here, you know it's so likely to continue on Thursday. So where can it continue to? Low-hanging fruit was right here. Why is it low-hanging fruit? Because it's the first objective. Higher hanging fruit would be these equal highs. So in my Discord, when I called out the level 21968, this is what I was looking for. This is a London reversal, New York continuation. And when I said 22111, I was looking at this level. So this high and this high. Why these ones? Because they're nice and relatively equal. I would expect this to be taken today or tomorrow. If it takes it today, then I'll probably look for a retracement tomorrow. Or like a retest and retracement or something. Like TGIF level. This is London reversal. Accumulate London low of day, expand. New York retraces into London's range, doesn't take the low, and then expands. If we took out this low in New York, which we could have done by the way, and it still would have been valid for longs, then yeah, this would have been a New York reversal. But this is London reversal, New York continuation. Locked in for Friday. I think there's a lot of news tomorrow, so let's see you tomorrow. Exactly. You gotta look how we closed today. Can you describe how your USD was clean? You were looking for London lows? I mean, because you probably saw the buy side get taken, right? And then you were like, oh, we took buy side and displaced, which is fine, but this is kind of the idea. And I feel like a lot of people can learn about what I'm about to say, because my students struggle with this too. Forget the setup. Forget it. Forget the wick. Forget the displacement. Forget the buy side liquidity sweep, the sell side liquidity sweep. Forget all of it. You need to have a drawn liquidity first. Ideally, gain that from the daily chart. Ideally. Because if you have a drawn liquidity on the daily chart, that means you can get really good risk to reward trades intraday. That's your first step. That's the first thing you should do. So don't look and be like, oh, we step buy side. No. What do you? No. Stop. You're gonna fake yourself out. You need to have an objective first. Your draw was London low. Okay, so at what time did you determine London low was your draw? Do you remember? Kinda if. What did you catch? I took these two longs today. You trade PM? If I don't trade AM, then I'll trade PM, yeah. And we'll recap Euro after this. My draw was... Which is fine. So if you determine London low as a drawn liquidity, that's okay. But let's explain why. Why did you think that? I've not traded PM session yet. That's okay. You don't have to trade PM session. You know? Hey, we took the same two trades. Nice, bro. You took both. Nice. Even just studying is important too. But yeah, I managed to execute. I'm glad I didn't hesitate. Usually I hesitate. Yeah, we took these on. I took this on my top step accounts. London low and PM low was equal on my chart, but now I see a diff chart it was taken. London lows and previous PM lows. Yeah, the draw was really good. The draw was just really good. But anyway, I don't want anyone, if anyone was bearish, it's fine, you know? This is how you learn. The only reason I was able to see it long was because before I used to see it short, you know? To me, guys, this is a protected low. This is a protected low. No, I'll do USD right after this. I didn't forget, brother, sorry. We swept sell side in London into a key level and expand. That's kind of like my confirmation that we're probably not going to take this low. So I'm scanning for continuation. But like I said, this 15-minute chart, even if London low is your objective, you have to look higher. You have to look higher. And I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like looking at this price action, most people here, when they see Wednesday, like if I ask you guys right now, look at the daily chart, forget the London low, where do you think price is going to go? Is it likely to go previous day low or the buy side? It's right there. It's way more likely to go to the buy side, you know? So don't worry about London lows, you know? Don't look at the displacement low. Ideally, you're looking at your daily chart. That's where you should get your buys from, because it's easy to get faked out on the 15. It's easy to get faked out. No, I'm not in any trades right now. I closed. I mean, we're in a NVIDIA long, which, by the way, is freaking cooking, if anyone wanted to know. So we're up good on the live. And you know what? We're also good on Apple. Not to brag or anything, but this shit could reverse on me anytime. I ain't gonna lie. But it does feel good. It feels good to be up. How do you go from there? Exactly. How do you confirm continuation? Inversion. That's when I look at inversion fair value gaps. I look for retracement into a certain level at a certain time. And if we get an inversion fair value gap, that's when I use that. How long do you plan on holding the video? Good question. I'm thinking, I don't know, maybe when ES reaches all-time highs or when the video reaches all-time highs. That's what I was thinking, to be honest. What can you say about consolidation? It goes sideways? You mean consolidation or like ranging markets? Hey, I'm proud of you, Ryan. You got it, bro. One trade, 250, risk 2R. 250, 2R, that's it, bro. Simple, just classic, simple 2R. You don't even need to get a too big one. You can even go 1R, 500. Ranging markets, what can I say about them? You should keep all your trades small and all your stop losses small. If I didn't keep my trades small, we could have caught one more winning trade this week. If I told myself, I literally told the Discord, keep your trade small, consider just closing it at 2R, 1.5R, 1R. Don't look to hold to your objectives because the daily chart is ranging. If the daily chart is ranging, it's not gonna be clean. It's gonna keep going back and forth intraday. I didn't even follow that rule, so I hit 3 break evens this week, which is good because 2 of them would have been losses. They all eventually played out, but they would have been losses. That's one. But there was one trade I was up. I took it live. It was like 1.6R. I should have probably just closed it, but I held it, you know. And it's not good to hold stuff when the daily chart's ranging. What does the long right now say? 15-minute bitchy liquidity swept. 11:30. Timing's a little off, but maybe 11:30 if it gives you something. There's also an SMT there. I kind of don't like that SMT. I mean, if you get an inversion here, it's not the worst long. I give it like a nice C plus B in my opinion. Yeah, we took two wins today, JD. Took 2 wins today actually. But yeah, what I would prefer is we accumulate, go even lower, ES goes lower, and then we inverse around 11:30. That's just me though. That's just me. That's just like, I'm not saying this can't play out, but if that other one happens, it's higher probability of playing out. That's what I'm trying to say. So good luck. You get lost in lower time frames for sure, but you gotta look at the higher time frame. If you can have a drawn liquidity on the daily chart, that's the best. That's the best. Compound profits over major profits help us allow more than 50% winning days anyway. Oh yeah, for the eval. Yeah, exactly. Do you trade on scalping? I mean, sometimes it ends up being a scalp, but like it's a day. Yeah, I can show. I took two wins. We've been recapping. I will post a recap later. The first trade I took was this inversion. It was something like this, and the second trade I took was the other inversion. This one. I didn't take them all in the same accounts, and we TP'd at the black line. Previous week's high. I didn't take it on all accounts. I took the first trade on 3 accounts, and I took the other trade on the other accounts. You're Scottish? I'm from Toronto. I'm from Canada. I'm Arab, but I'm from Canada. And I have a lot of Discord messages. You're gonna have to read these. Oh, Luffy, that's you? I'm rocking with these colors right now. These colors are nice. You guys like these too, right? I don't know if I'm gonna stick with this one, but I like it. There's a lot of fake accounts, man. Yeah, they're trying to scam people. Hopefully, no one's actually been scammed. What stocks are you looking at? I'm already in. I probably wouldn't buy anything. I would have bought more AMD if it went down. Right now, I'm long on Nvidia, Apple, and AMD. I don't own anything else. Yeah. Did you use Trump coin? Nah. I kind of quit crypto. I lost too much. Sorry, Euro USD. We completely forgot. So Euro USD, same thing, except this time it's a New York reversal. Let's do. We can do the 1-minute chart. So same thing. You're looking for longs, right? Same thing. You're looking for longs. So if we come down here, we swept sell side. In this case, it's the New York reversal because it's New York forming the low of day. So we sweep sell side in this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. This is really clean because we respected 50% of it. This is where you drop down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-minute chart. Now, if you wait till 9:30, which is what I would have done, because I usually don't trade pre-market. You wait until 9:30. You're looking for you taking trades today? Took 2 trades today, yeah. I'll recap them shortly after we cover Euro. 9:30 open. So in this case, you probably would have to look for a protraction. If I was trading Euro, I wouldn't have entered long on this inversion. Straight up. Unless there's an SMT there with GBP. So you know what? Let's check it out and do this properly. If there's an SMT with GBP, yeah, there is an SMT. See, so it's valid then. So this is your long. There's SMT here with British pound, right? Yeah, exactly. So you long euro here because it's more bullish. So this same, literally the same long, same idea. So British pound a little bit cleaner because it actually took the low. But in this case, we have SMT, so it's the same thing. We took the sell side, expand, retrace, pump. We took the sell side, expand, retrace, pump. PO3, double purge. So yeah, this inversion was your first opportunity. If you missed that, you gotta look for a protraction. Was there any protraction? I mean, this is so far. Was there anything else? I think that might have been your only one, yeah. So you either took that inversion. Oh, you could have got in here. You could have got in right here too. We retraced into the fair value gap, and we had an inversion. So you could have entered long right there as well, 1009. Both of which would have been good. This one's kind of iffy because it's so far, but this one or this one. So I'm just talking about my model, right? So those two would have met my model's criteria for longs. Reversal model here and protraction model there. How much you buy into stocks, like capital wise? It doesn't matter if I tell you guys, right? I mean, I can tell you. I can tell you the numbers. I think I have 25 Nvidia, 25 AMD, and 5 Apple, and I have a little bit more cash in the account in case AMD goes down. So just like my personal investment portfolio. Can you show? But by the way, I started with very little, and I actually grew it over time. Like I did deposit every now and then, like whenever I had extra money, but I actually did grow it a lot. I ended up catching two really nice trades, but Palantir, 120? Nah, that's crazy. What? Bro, that's crazy. That is crazy. Yes, I can make a video on double purge. That'll probably be my best video ever posted once I do it. Holy shit, wait. Palantir's 120? So I was gonna say, I bought Palantir at long time ago, like at $14. I sold it at like $33. So I doubled my investment. So that was like my first big push for the account. That was my first big push for the account. But damn, looking at this now, $100. Damn, chart settings, yeah. I'll just post it right here because I just sent it to someone. So give me one sec. Also, I'm not ignoring anyone. Just I can't talk. I'm trying to read all the comments at once. There's a lot of comments. These are my chart settings if you want them. So that's the canvas. Up close candle is this. Opacity and everything else black. When will I do it? The thing is, I have 2 videos already scheduled. One on fair value gaps, 2 on inversions. Sorry, 1 on fair value gaps, second one's on inversions. Double purge, if you want to learn about it now, I'll just read the book. It's in my book, you know, my free book. It's there. All my models are in that book for free. I took 2 trades today. I'm using trading 212 to buy into stocks. Is that a broker? I use interactive brokers. I think it's TradeStation. Down. 2 trades today. Two trades today. That was a good AMD and S&P 500. Yep. Yeah, ES. Yeah, classic AMD stuff. You know what? Let me show you guys something, bro. Let me show you guys. Let me put you guys on, bro. For those of you who haven't read my book, now you don't have to read my book. It's free, by the way. It's a book I made on my model. Do I have? I didn't show it for longs. I showed it for shorts. You should study this, because this formed today. And you should study the market maker one, also formed today. Wait, did I skip it? Wait, do I not have double purge in this book? Oh wow, I actually do not talk about double purge in this book. I guess I saved that for all the gems people, huh? No way I don't talk about it. Oh wow, interesting. I really left that out. It's like one of the most, that's like the most A plus thing. I mean, all the tools to double purge are in here, but it doesn't actually talk about double purge itself. But all the concepts you would need to learn or understand. I talk about real distributions. The A plus models, protraction. Well, yeah, no, you're right. I actually didn't talk about it, so I should probably make something about that then. Can I see the trade? These colors are nice, right? Yeah, I like them too. I don't know if it's the perfect one for me yet, but I'm gonna keep it for now and see what happens. One day your book won't be free though. I don't know. Maybe I'll write a book one day and charge for it. Yeah, but this one will be free. This one, it has a good amount of information. It's not like everything, but it's pretty much my whole model. I don't know. I wouldn't charge. There's no point in charging for it, bro. So many people have this book. There's like really no point. I already like souped up the whole market. You know, I already swept all the sell side, so there's really no point. These are the trades I took today. I really like these chart colors too. I think it's perfect right now. Imagine trading in 1900 must have been tough. You entered saying 1951. Yep, that's exactly where I entered too. 1951. You took the same setup? Nice, brother, nice. Yeah, a lot of people took this. A lot of my students took it too, which is really nice. Look at the 50 wish I could. This is volume balance. Yes. So when you draw out this fair value gap, you have to draw it out like this to get the accurate 50% level. Bro, I just hopped in. Please explain. Explain what? I have learned a lot from your TikToks and now I'm profitable. Thanks. Damn, really? That's pretty amazing, bro. It's pretty amazing. 2 wins today, brother. 2 wins today. Not all on the same accounts. I took this on. This was like my main trade, Top Step, and My Fund of Futures. This one I took on another account. Do you use Turtle Soup? No. Every time I backtest Turtle Soup, my win rate's like 5%. Even though the risk reward is so good, I'd rather just trade like this, to be honest. I don't really like Turtle Soup, man. I think it's too aggressive for me. I'm gonna head out, bro. Good shit today. You shoot me tomorrow. Recap again. Tomorrow will be recap again, probably. I'm one yesterday too. Nice. Month F has only one payment. You have to pay every month. It's one payment until you pass. What were the reasons for your trades? No worries, brother. I'm gonna post a recap. But basically, if you want me to sum it up for you right here, the recap's gonna be a TikTok, so it'll be super easy. Bullish fair value gap. Double purge is my A plus model. So buy side first, then sell side. We swept liquidity. This is also a form of time distortion because we don't want to expand now. We want to expand in the macro and at 10 a.m. Then the macro starts. I took the entry on the inversion. Basically just swept sell side. I was bullish. I waited for sell side to get taken. And we had a bullish fair value gap here that held. And once I saw this inversion, I knew we're likely to continue higher. But I will post a full recap. It's like a 1 minute, 50-second video. Speaking of, let me message my editor right now. You trade crypto or just forex? I trade futures and forex. I own a little bit of crypto, but not really much. I have like $100 portfolio. You think we'll get TJF tomorrow on EU? Midnight opening range? No, I did go back test it. He talked about it before, by the way, and I like really brushed over it last time. But no, I just could not find the consistency that, I don't know, maybe I'm not doing it correctly. Just could not find the consistency that I would have looked for. Do you trade small shares over $10? No, not anymore. I lost too much money to that, man. Every time I buy something, the only thing I would do I do mentoring? Yeah, but it's not really for everyone. Like, I don't really accept anyone. But if you already know how I trade in my model and you want to learn my model, you can send me a message on Discord. Send me a message on Discord. Do you pick? Yeah, I lose pretty much every time. The only thing I will say, William, if you're ever like bullish or on gold or like silver or like paddle, like anything like that, any of the commodities, if you find one of those companies that mine or whatever, you can get some nice like risk to reward in there. 2 trades today we took, Sharma. You can't find my book? It's in ebooks. So if you go to my Discord, which is free, go to ebooks. Why don't I trade crypto? I just lost too much money to crypto, man. Like crypto or meme coins? NGDC? Uh, oh, interesting. The only thing is, like, it would have been a good time to invest like last month when we were bullish on gold. Because we kind of, I don't know, do you trade ICT? If you trade ICT, you'll understand what I'm about to say. I've been bullish on gold since this monthly fair value gap got tapped, right? Expecting all-time highs, 2,600. So, like, so this is November, right? So say you were November and then you went to NGDX. Look at November on NGDX. Look at that. It literally put in the low. So you would have made, say you bought it at, even if you didn't buy it that low, it doesn't matter, but it went up a whole dollar, right? So that's like a 25% gain if you put in like it goes at went from, let's just say you bought it below the next month's open. So it went up a dollar. So it went from 350 360 to 460. So yeah, that would have been like 33% increase on your position. So that's kind of how I do it. Makes sense? But like now it's not really the same. Like, yeah, it could go higher, but I don't know how much higher gold is gonna go. It all comes down to that. But if you find something like that, I'm gonna post my recap 100%. I'm gonna post it right after this live stream. I just messaged my editor if he can edit it for me. If not, then I'll do it myself right after the live stream. Bitcoin and Ethereum, not really. I backtested sometimes, but not much. Should sell at how much money? Sell what? What lot size you used? For what? For these longs? For this one, I think it was 7 or 8 lots. And this one I traded on futures, so no lots. Yeah, that's what I'm saying though. Oh, are you in? I mean, this would have been a good level, right? The equal highs, the buy side. Um, it's tough because I don't know if I'm bullish on gold. Like, obviously, gold is still bullish. Like, when would I sold? When would I sell? Like, maybe if gold takes out this high, you can sell it there. Maybe gold reaches 3,000. That's a nice, just whole number that would be, like, that's a long way, but like that's what I would do. I wouldn't frame it off the stock, is what I'm saying. I would frame it based off of gold. So gold is all-time highs almost. It's $25 away. So if you can get gold, if gold reaches all-time highs, that'd be a good time to sell 2 trades. I took 2 trades today. They were both wins. EU TGIF, possible, yeah. I would look for it depending on how today closes. If we start to wick at the high, I wouldn't look for TGIF. But if we close near the high, then it's really good. Bullish or bearish? Definitely bullish. Do not look for shorts. There's no confirmation of shorts. How long will I stream? As long as you guys want. Do you used to trade Forex? No, I started with stocks, then I went into futures, and now I integrated Forex slightly. Longs right now? Did ES tap into the 15? Yeah, ES tapped in. Yeah, possible. If I trade today, it'll be on only one of my accounts. I don't know though. I don't know. Like, yeah, I mean, yeah, we still have this level higher. The thing is, we don't have to get here today. We could easily get here tomorrow. You know, which would be nice just to look for longs tomorrow. To be honest, but it could happen today. I would look for continuation. Possible. Like maybe if we get a breaker here, something like that. That would be a nice confirmation of equal highs right here. That's nice. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. I wouldn't trade it. It's 11:45, but definitely possible if you trade this time window. Another trading queue, or you? Yeah, I'm probably finished today. Oh, did I miss any YouTube chat? Because I had the wrong settings on. What does it feel to trade gold as an ICT trader? Do you advise it? It's not bad, but in my opinion, there's a lot cleaner options. Something at 418. Yeah, man. In my opinion, it's not a bad idea to get out. I do think it can go a little higher, but if I'm being honest, you didn't get the best fill, right? Ideally, like the move kind of started 2 months ago. So there's better opportunities out there. You lose your mind trading gold. I don't, in general, Forex has a lot of spread, which I don't like. But if used funded by traders, I mean, the spread's very low. So I do like trading them with funded by traders, to be honest. It's not bad. And if I was at a different time zone, I would trade Euro or GBP during London session. I feel like those moves are really clean. It's usually like it's really hard to get faked out. Short Euro. I trade cable. Yeah, USD or GBP is really nice. Yeah, shorting Euros. I mean, yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's not bad. We'd probably take out this low at least. In my opinion, it's a retracement, but it's not bad. But like, yeah, that's all I got, bro. That's all I got for you. There's a good chance we take out this low. If anything, I would look for a continuation from that level. I learned everything from your Discord. What else could I search up? If you truly learned everything from my Discord, then you just have to start practicing you gotta master yourself. That's it. You pretty much have all the tools there. I took 2 trades today. They were both wins. I deleted them. They were both wins. I took this long. I TP'd here. Took this long. I TP'd at 10:20. And I was gonna hold it. I swear I was. I was actually I was like live in the student section of the Discord. But then I said, nah, let me just get out and call it. But I was planning to hold it to the end of the day. I got in here, so yeah, we'll see. What about you, brother? You take anything? Boom. I miss both. Wasn't confident enough. Once you know, you need to work on that. Put that in your journal, bro. Because I put that enough times in my journal to the point where I was able to be confident. So I hope you can build on that. You know? Nah, don't be sad about it, bro. That's a good thing that you can identify that. Trust me, that's a really good thing. Don't let that seem like it's a bad thing, bro. Do not let yourself think that that's a bad thing. It's easy to build confidence. But if I told you, like, if you see this so many times, eventually you're just gonna be confident. You know, that's all it is. But don't let it be a bad thing. It's a good thing. It looks like this might actually play higher, but I think we'll probably call it quits. The YouTube is at like an all-time low, which makes sense. I know most people just want to watch me trade live. But I'm gonna head out. I appreciate everyone coming through. Tomorrow we will also be live at 11:15 a.m. Eastern time. If you want to join the Discord, I will post all my charts, all my bias, all my trade ideas beforehand. That's what I did today. We will do it again tomorrow. Why 11 a.m.? Because I don't want to trade live. I want to trade not live. So that's why. It'll be either 10:30, 10:45. Like 11 a.m. is the max. It might be earlier, but we'll go from there. So if you want to come through, trade recap, Q&A, I'll show you guys the executions, the P&L. Full transparency, documentation, as always. That is the goal of live streaming here. Take care, Kojo. Appreciate you, brother. Take care, Ismo. Take care, Damon. All right, peace.